Hello to all loyal followers. Today the topic of the episode is about architectural design, its elements and requirements, and the most important developments in design. If you like the video, subscribe with us. Architectural design is one of the technical means that are used in creating the first designs for architectural facilities, whether for the purpose of housing or for commercial and professional use, and it is also known as a set of stages that depend on drawing and planning in order to formulate the ideas and images used in establishing the art of architecture. Among other definitions of the concept of architectural design, it is a type of human innovation and creativity, which depends on the use of technical or computer tools in order to design an architectural building that provides a service or benefit to people. Its concept denotes all the logical and scientific processes that are capable of defining forms and organizations. It also denotes the processes that can create spaces for man in order for him to be able to carry out the activities he needs. It is a work of art par excellence, and it is a creative work, as many of the buildings that were designed long ago are still to this day considered creative works of art, whether they are heritage, archaeological or modern, and they are considered one of the most important landmarks in the country, which are intended for visitors only, to see the magnificence of this wonderful design. The art of architecture is considered one of the oldest professions in the world that man has known and practiced over time, and it is taught today as a scientific subject in most universities and courses related to architecture. There are several sciences related to the art of architectural design, and among these sciences, philosophy, sociology, psychology, and mathematics, in addition to materials science, history, applied engineering science, and construction science. Architectural design elements. Configuration. The composition element is one of the most important elements of this design, as it contributes to the link between it and the surrounding cultural, social, and historical influences, which help to enhance its integration with society. Balance. It is to maintain harmony between all components of the architectural design, from shapes, colors, sizes, and all details related to architecture, which need to adhere to a single engineering system. Achieve the desired result. Character. It is the shape that it acquires after its complete completion, and it is divided into two parts, namely, the internal character, which includes all the internal components of the building, and the external character, which reflects the nature of the internal character, and is characterized by the fact that it contains a group of distinctive designs. Expression. Expression is a key element in this design, as it is keen to reflect and clarify the main idea, or the main objective of the building, and the architectural expression varies between buildings according to a group of factors such as geographical location, climate, population, and other factors. Architectural design requirements. Any project requires several things that must be worked on, namely, 1. Determine the land on which the architectural project will be built. 2. Site analysis, land, in terms of the surrounding urban environment, movement flow, accessibility to the place, disturbance sources, views, and climate, wind, sun, etc. 3. A relationship diagram. It is an illustration of the relationship between the elements of the project, and it is in the form of circles, each circle representing an element in the space, gathered together randomly, as in the following image. Schematic drawing. 5. Design a plan. 6. A design for the main interface of the project. The evolution of architectural design. Among the steps and stages of architectural design and construction, 1. Attracting and collecting information, which is considered the initial stage for any architectural design and construction project, as this stage requires defining the requirements and preparing studies for each project, including the problem and the variables in its various dimensions. 2. Analyze the collected information. 3. Creating new ideas, after reviewing previous ideas. 4. Draw and create a plan for the initial solutions to the problem. 5. Comparing and evaluating the alternatives, and then starting the project. Different dimensions of architectural design: natural, humanity, social, cultural, political, economic, religious. Goals for architectural design: supporting the ability of the engineer and the architectural designer to imagine the new designs that will be worked on, which contribute to presenting a modern creative architectural masterpiece. Reliance on discovery in dealing with the environment surrounding the architectural designer, which helps him to develop a set of distinctive designs that suit the community and the surrounding environment, and suit the place where the design will be applied, helping the architectural designer to develop his decision-making style through his choice of colors, lines, and shapes for the architectural design, which are appropriate and suitable for the architectural design. Supporting and developing the ability of the architectural designer to notice the design details, in order to achieve the final result of the design in a correct, accurate, and error-free manner. Paying attention to the cultural and social thought prevailing in societies. That is, the architectural design must be similar to the nature